Nature, what wonders does it hold? The grass so green, you could just pick at it. History has given it to many, but today is his day, the being of the world. If you do receive this wonder of a gift, make sure to defend it with your life, as people will be out to get you. But don't panic. If you use the being of the world, you'll make it out. Unlike this poor soul, what a pity. He had no time at all to learn.